Do you recognize this? You're working on an e-learning project and you'll see that text objects or shapes in your e-learning look a little bit different on some slides. Now you can deliver your e-learning project like this. But in this video I'll show you how to use the format painter to solve this issue and easily copy and paste formatting in Articulate Storyline and save a lot of time.
Hi, I'm Spermon from Untitled Learning, where I teach you how you can create e-learning modules yourself with Articulate Storyline. And are you new here? Then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Are you ready? Then let's get started.
Articulate Storyline has a practical tool to copy and paste the layout of an object. It's called the format painter. And with the format painter you can copy the color of an object, the color of the border, for instance if it's dotted, striped or solid, effects of your object like shadows or glows, the states of an object, text alignments, text color, the size of the text and font styles. But that's enough theoretical stuff. So let's see how the format painter works in practice. Here I have a slide in Articulate Storyline with 4 different buttons. And every button has also a different colored shapes, if you can see here. Now my left upper button is the correct button and I want to copy the layout of this button to all the other buttons. And this can be done with the format painter. And I'll show you now how to do this. So in order to do it, I'll select my correct button, go to format painter and click it. And the next step is to click the button where I want to paste my layout to. And now you see that the layout from button 1 is copied to button 2. But you can also copy the layout of one object to multiple objects. And this you do it again by selecting the object where you want to copy the layout from. So this is my correct button, and now you go to format painter, but this time you double click the format painter instead of just a single click. So I double click it and you'll see it's selected, and now you can click the objects to which you want to copy the layout. So I can copy it to button 3 and also to button 4. And this copying to multiple objects doesn't work on one slide, but also works on objects that are on other slides. And when you're done copying the layout, you once again click on the format painter, and you now see it's unselected, and you can click objects again without copying the layout of it. And Storyline has also a keyboard shortcut which you can do the same as with the format painter. And the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl, Shift and C to copy the layout of a selected object, and Ctrl, Shift plus V to apply the layout of a new object. And I will show you how this works. Now in this example I have a slide with 2 text objects and I want to copy the formatting from text 1 to text 2. Now how can this be done with the keyboard shortcut that I just told you about? Now you select text 1 and press Ctrl, Shift and C on your keyboard. Now you select text 2 and press Ctrl, Shift and V on your keyboard, and you see that text 2 now has the formatting of text 1. And this keyboard shortcut doesn't just work for text objects in Storyline, but it also works for other objects like shapes or buttons. Now in this video I've showed that the format painter in Articulate Storyline is a powerful tool to create consistent looking e-learning modules and saves you a lot of time.
Do you have any questions about Articulate Storyline in common? Then place a comment below these videos and I promise to answer it. And if you want to create great engaging e-learning in Articulate Storyline, make sure that you get my free step-by-step guide on how I create e-learning in Articulate Storyline. And I know for sure that it will help you because it describes my whole process that I use for every e-learning module in Articulate Storyline that I build. And was this video useful to you? Then hit the like button below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos.